It's an atmosphere of joy as Akko local government residents come out in their numbers to register appreciation to President Bola Tinubu for conferring the status of Federal Medical Center on Kumo General Hospital. The hospital, founded over 43 years ago, has been transformed from the ground up into a world-class facility by Governor Tinubu, whose reforms in the state's health sector is gaining huge recognition.
So this edifice here, the one he built, which he handed over to the federal government to establish this hospital, I think it can accommodate this need, because it's very, very much felt need. And the situation of Kumo, which has about 5 or 6 local governments to the south, I think the situating it here is one of the best and strategic things any government can do.
With the new Kumo Federal Medical Center strategically located off the federal highway, over 400,000 persons residing in the host community expressed gratitude to President Bola Tinubu for bringing quality health care to their doorsteps, saying the neighboring states and foreigners from countries like Cameroon will greatly benefit from the new Kumo Federal Medical Center.
We've been talking to His Excellency with regards to the issue of opening this facility. He categorically told us that he is working towards converting this very important general hospital to Federal Medical Center. And alhamdulillah, we are all proud, we are all very happy, we are highly delighted to hear that His Excellency has granted that approval.
Now we are almost 4 to 5 million in Akko local government. So by then, 300 to 400,000. So as this hospital is a center to Gombe Central and even Gombe State, the people coming from Taraba may get it easy for the hospital issues. So they cannot move to Gombe for their medical issues. So as such, it will serve even those who are coming from Cameroon, inshallah. So that's why our people, as you have seen the gathering there, all of them are happy and fully appreciated the effort of the governor of Gombe State, Alhaji Muhammad Tinubu, and his President Bola Ahmed Tinubu.
For the DG of Gombe State Joint Project Development Agency, who is a citizen of the benefiting community, the new Kumo Federal Medical Center is an easy reference point to exemplify President Tinubu's renewed hope agenda.
If you look at the caliber of people that came out in mass, you will know that this project has touched the life of an ordinary citizen of this community. And that is why the renewed hope agenda of Mr. President is on track. And we want to assure everyone across the country that we are on course and we are going to make it.
While joining the teeming masses of Gombe State and Akko local government area in particular in placing his appreciation to President Bola Tinubu for his gracious act on the record, Governor Tinubu says that he will continue to go full throttle to ensure universal healthcare coverage for all and sundry in Gombe State.